Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Google Classroom. So first of all, how to go to Google Classroom page. You can either type Google Classroom from your browser, or you can click on this tile and scroll down till you get to Google Classroom. Once you're on the page, you can either join a certain created class or create a new one if you are a teacher. Let's create a class. To create a class, you have to specify a name, let's say English 201, a section. You can also specify a subject and a room. Let's make it simple. Once we create the class, we can change its homepage. We can post in it some notes to students. We can also create a classwork for them by creating various topics that denote the various chapters or material that is included in the course. You can upload material such as PDF files, links, YouTube videos, or other types of material. You can create assignments in which the students will answer by uploading PDF files or filling in Google Docs, create presentations or certain drawings. You can also create quiz assignments in which they will select certain answers and will get automatic results and grades, or just ask few questions with multiple choice or with short answers. What's fantastic with Google Classroom is that you can also reuse previous posts from previous semesters for the same course or even from other courses. In this tab, People tab, you can add another co-teacher to your course, or you can invite students by typing in their email addresses. And you can also check the grades of your class from this tab. Let's go back to Stream. Here we have a class code. This is where the student can find the class code. You can display it in your class by clicking on this button to get it on a full screen so that students can join your course. Suppose we have here another student, say this one. He or she can click on this button, join class, and just type the class code, hit join. From now on, they will get automatic update about the course, and they will see in real time the participation of the other students, and they can also participate by themselves. So suppose you as a teacher, you post a certain note to the students. Well, actually, you can schedule this post to appear on a specific date or time, or you can just post it right away. You can also select the set of students for whom you want this message to be redirected. Of course, you can add files from Google Drive, from your desktop, or you can add specific links and YouTube videos. For this one, we're going to keep a simple text as a note, and we're going to hit post. So in real time, the students will be able to see the updates in their streams. Eventually, when they revisit the page or when they click on the stream button once again, they will see the updates on their page. So here I'm refreshing the whole page. I got the note. I can reply to it. Each post will be marked with a timestamp to know exactly when that post or comment was done. On the teacher side, this post will appear automatically on the page after a few seconds, or you can also hit refresh to see it. You can also obviously reply to this comment. You can delete it, or you can delete the whole post or edit it once again if you'd like to. In the subsequent videos, we will see how to create classwork to the students with different topics and how can we see all those assignments in the Google Calendar view to follow up the progress of the course. How can we see the files that we upload and the students' work in Google Drive, and how we can grade the assignments and then return them to the students so that they know our feedback on their work.